Oh my, this is old Minecraft, and I'm not gonna tell you what version of Minecraft I'm on because it's a secret. Don't worry about the occasional lag spikes. That's like nothing to worry. So you may be wondering, what am I doing in Minecraft? What Minecraft? No, I'm not. So we're gonna go mine a tree. I love mining trees. It lags like ever. That's how we're going to be playing Minecraft today. There's a really large amount of sheep around me. Alright, we're gonna kill this sheep. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh yeah. Ah! Give me your meat. Everything's alright, guys. Give me the meat! They don't give me meat. Let me try to craft. Can we do... Okay, yes, we can indeed do. Okay, so, we officially have a table, for crafting, yeah. Don't forget, guys, it's called the... What's it called? We're gonna mine. Can't mine like I do. So, we're gonna mine. I'm scared. I'm scared. Help! Alright, we're gonna ignore that ever happened. Keep mining, pretend like it never happened. I see lava. Oh, we're good. Everything's fine. So we're going to be keep mining. Really scared right now. Where did I fall? Oh, that's where I fell. Okay, we're good. So now I have stone so we can make stone materials because I'm a really good Minecrafter. Yeah. Alright, so now what? Now what? No. Yeah, wait, no. I'm gonna make a sword and axe. What did you think I was gonna choose? Give me the meat, give me the meat. Oh, give me that meat, give me that meat, give me the meat, give me the meat, give me the meat, give me the meat. Wait a minute. Please have bad aim. Crafting table, come back, my baby. Yay. Alright, so today we're going to be cooking with sticks. Let me get a log. Mine. Alright, guys are gonna pay the price there. Why are you guys all giving me feathers? I need logs to make logs. Cook, 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 cook. What am I gonna get? Charcoal. My charcoal's gone. So, is there in the nether? Oh my goodness. Why is there so many scary holes in this game? Oh, let's go down. See, everything's fine. For you, sir. Oh. Iron! Iron! They have led me to iron. We're gonna have to make a stone pickaxe for this one. I need more. Yes, I love ore. I love ore. What about you? Like the one for paddling? Yeah, that one. Scared me again. Scared me again. Oh my gosh. I never knew how scared I'd be just playing old Minecraft. Iron. Do you know how terrified I am that something bad's gonna happen? Oh, give coal. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So, we're going to need to smelt. Since it's really dark in this room, I'm gonna do it in here. There's a difference between charcoal and coal, but you probably won't be able to visually see. Why did it drop out my materials? I'm gonna mine more coal. I've never actually liked coal until now. I don't know why. I guess I'm just realizing how much I really should just mine coal after all. Why is this 2x2? Why does this just so happen to be like that? Kind of reminds me of Herobrine. I hear water near me, but let's go check on my iron. I thought I saw an Enderman. I don't think Endermans are in this version. Yay, iron. Okay, so we have iron lung, you know that game. So now that we have it, we can now make flint and steel. And I'm gonna need to make 2 buckets at most. Now what? Maybe I know something that'll save me. Alright, let's put my torch. Put my torch. Herobrine? I mean, no. What's that weird line on my screen? Every little thing is scaring me right now. Okay, that's mine. There's lava under there, as you can clearly tell, because you can see it right through the ground. I hear a slime. There is indeed a real slime. Is that diamond? Real diamonds, guys. There's cobblestone. Oh, because that's what it is. I should have thought about this. I panicked. I literally can't run. I am freaking. I've never been so scared in Minecraft.